How to remove shadow ban on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove the shadow ban on TikTok. First of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of this screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and go to privacy and settings. Scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option under Support and About. Once you're in this page, scroll down and tap on Chat with Us option, and this will allow you to chat with TikTok support. You can go ahead and type a message and explain your problem over here. Keep doing this until you see the Submit a Ticket option, and then type the issue that you're facing and attach a video or a screenshot or a picture to better illustrate the problem. A shadow ban can affect your views, but you should confirm this with support. Now click on Submit, and this sends a support ticket to TikTok. They will contact you, chat with you, or provide steps to resolve the issue. You can return to this page and click on the View Support Ticket to see their replies and chat with them further. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.